Here we have a tower OT. We need to find the height of this tower. Now what we are given is 2 points at distances A and B from the foot of the tower, and there is one important information given. This B is less than A. That means this much distance. If I name this point X, then OX will be B and A is greater, right? So A will be further here. If I put this as Y, OY will be A meters, and then from these 2 points X and Y, 2 angles of elevation is given. Somebody standing at these 2 points looking up makes these 2 angle of elevation. Now tell me which one will be bigger angle. Can you guess? Now as you move closer to a tall object, to something which is tall, what do you have to do? You have to keep on bending your head more and more as you go closer and closer, because the top is here. So as you move closer, you have to keep on bending more and more so that you can see its top. But at the same time, when you are here, or suppose you are here, then you don't have to bend your head. You can just look and you will see the top. So the greater angle will be nearer, and this will be 30 degrees. Now what do we have to do? We have to express this H in terms of A and B. Now shall we consider the 2 triangles which will give us the answer? Now first consider the small triangle OXT. We have an angle here 60. This will be its opposite side. This will be its adjacent side. Can you tell me which trigonometric ratio connects the opposite side and the adjacent side? It is the tan value, right? The tan value is opposite side by adjacent side, but then the tan 60 is what? It is root 3, which means what? Root 3 is equal to H by B. Now we move on to the bigger triangle OYT. Again, what angle do you have? You have 30 degrees. For 30 degrees, the opposite side is H, the adjacent side is A. Again, what trigonometric ratio connects the opposite side and the adjacent side? It is again the tan value. But then, what is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. So, what do you have? H is equal to A by root 3. Now, here we have 2 equations. Now we have got 2 such equations. What we need to find is the value of H, and it should be one of these 3. Now how do we go from this point to this point? Now if you are stuck, just see what is missing here. The root 3 is missing from all the options. So all you have to do is substitute for the root 3. Then what will you get? Here root 3 is H by B, right? So write H by B there. H is equal to So this was the answer that you are looking for. The height of the tower is the square root of AB.